Due to YouTube and the COPPA laws, if you are under the age of 18 and are watching this video, please stop now. This content was not intended for you. Hey everybody, it's TMIKA. I am here with another Yixuan scrapbooking unboxing, and I am going to share a project that I've done with this box so far. I handpicked these items for myself and I'm happy about them, so I'll have the links to everything down below in the description box if you guys are interested. So that'll be down there for you guys. So I am just going to open this box. So this is a stamp and die set, and this is the one that I used in what I'm going to share with you today. Some cards that I made. They turned out so cute. But this is what comes in the stamp set. Absolutely love the wonkiness, the cuteness of it. This little guy down here is so adorable, and then so it has a little snowman here and a little bird, and it says, "There's no one else like you. Let it snow, let it snow. Some of my best friends are flakes." So cute. Sending warm and cozy hugs. So adorable. And then it has the coordinating die that goes with the images so that you can cut them out and pop them up if you want, or leave them on the card, or do whatever you need to do with them. So they have the coordinating images to go with that. So cute. Really fun stamp and die set, and it just fits nicely in this little packaging. And then on the back of the packaging, as you can see, you have all of the places where you can find her: Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, Pinterest, and you can also email or scan this QRC code at the top. I also grabbed this really cute flower stamp. Again, all the information is on the back. I love that they're in these envelopes. Such a cute, such an efficient way to stamp these cute stamps and dies. So this is the die that coordinates along with everything in the stamp set. I'm trying to show you without the glare here. Thank you for your kindness. There's a big flower here, the leaves. There's a tiny little rose. We're friends forever. Thinking of you with all my heart. We really do have the perfect friendship. So really cute. Such a beautiful friend. It also can be used, you make things better. Just an uplifting type of card that you can make, add it to your project and your layouts, just things like that. So really cute. I'm glad that I picked this because I'm getting ready to use that one next, I'm sure. Next up is this one. This is a cute little stamp set. Oh my gosh, I loved it when I saw it's a friendship stamp set, and it says, "Side by side or miles apart, sisters will always be connected by heart." How cute is that? Has a little speech bubble, like root beer flakes, a little dog. There's some girls talking here. There's some girls a little jovial over here. They're standing in the rain. It says, "A best friend helps you find the rainbow on a rainy day." So that will go perfect with that. A little envelope and some books. Like, really cute set. And then you can find the pieces to all of the bigger pieces. So we have the little girl here. I mean, the little umbrella. You have the people standing here. You also have those right there. And then on the inside, you have your tiny sentiments. Not the stamp sentiments, but like the dog, the cactus, yeah, the root beer, the coffee, the envelope. All of those are able to be cut out. So really fun, guys. Definitely check out these unique sets. I've never seen any of these anywhere else. So really gonna be fun to play with those. This is the next one that I got. This is so cute as well. It's tapping into my mixed media vibe, but it's more, you're so kind. Versatile stamp set, thank you. With sympathy, I think you're great. And then it has this beautiful collage of items. You have your French script with your butterfly, and then you have your French script and writing with your flowers. And I think it's so pretty. Hope you can see it sideways. It's just so cute to me. There is not a coordinating die with this, so that's more of a fussy cut that out or stamp it directly on your project type of stamp. But still so very cute. Next, we have this one, and it's similar to the one that I just showed you with the stamp with the French script and stuff in the back. This one has birds, letters, flowers, So, so cute. There's that cute little bird. Thinking of you with a grateful heart. I love the text here. Really cute. You deserve the best life has to offer. For being, thank you for being a friend. Thank you for being a friend. Travel down the road and back again. Love that. I just love these. They're so, so cute. Can you see that? So pretty. That was a little Golden Girls for you, so you're welcome. And I'm a little parched. It's early in the morning, so you know, catch me around 2:30. Then you'll get the real deal. And then next we have this one, cute little gnomes. You guys know I love gnomes, Christmas, coffee, fall, like all the things. And how cute is this? Wishing you peace and happiness. Thinking of you with sympathy and sending hugs. And then it has the truck with the gnome just laid out on the bed. Look how cute that is. And then you have this gnome here holding a little sunflower. He's on a pumpkin, as well as these two. Just really cute. I'm working on my coloring. I think I'm doing a okay job so far. And then it has the larger pieces where you can cut out. So you can cut out your truck, and then your this one with the flower, just all the big pieces. Here's your pumpkin guy. There's this one, and then you have that one down there. And the only thing left is your sentiments, and you could just stamp those on directly or cut them out with another die. I like to do that sometimes too. Use a stitch die or rectangular die and just cut it out and put it on there separately. So that's really cute. So this one is really cute. I haven't colored any baskets. This is a smaller one. And look how cute this basket is. Sending a sunshine for a beautiful birthday, or sending sunshine. Kind people are my kind of people. It says, wishing you a little extra happiness just because you're you. Cute. Out the little flowers up here. You make the ordinary extraordinary. So, so adorable. And then you have 2 dies to fit the 2 flowers on here in this set. Really cute. I also picked up this one as well. It's another a smaller die, mini but mighty, and it's also another gnome die. This gnome is hot cocoa related coffee, and it has the little cute little gnomes in the cups. May magic and wonder bloom this holiday. Merry Christmas, happy holidays, warm wishes from our home to yours, and thank you for making this a wonderful season. And then you have like the gnome with the cups at the top and all that kind of, with the little frosted mugs and stuff at the top. So adorable, so cute. Sometimes you can just stamp these on. Oh, and then you have your dies for the 3 larger images, for 3 large images. But what I was going to say is sometimes you can just color your background and just stamp those on. You don't have to be so intricate with coloring all the little tiny details of that. So that's cute. I've been watching a lot of videos trying to learn coloring and aspect ratio, just a bunch of lighting and that kind of stuff. So I did learn that. And if you watched any of my previous hauls, I have from Yixuan Scrapbooking, I have some dies that are in, before they redid this packaging, they have them in like these types of folders and these large ones, unboxing. So I have like these dies that are loose that are in there, and I just keep them all in that padded plastic folder. So I saw that she was selling these magnetic 5x7s and with the envelope, so it's a little bit of both. I can take my magnet sheet. These aren't 5. Did I say 5x7? I think these are more 4x6. Let me check. Let me check on my new mat. Guys, this is a new mat. I'm so happy. I got to learn not to write on it. I did have my Tim Holtz mat that I bought for my mixed media, but this is my new mat, so the light can kind of not reflect on it. I'll put it down below. It's lovely, 2-sided. Also, my new light over that you see that I'm trying to adjust. So both of those I got from Amazon. I'll link those down below. But let me tell you how big. 1, 2. This is 4x6. So what I will do is, so these are loose dies. I'll take these and I can lay, look at that, just stay right on there. Just a lovely. And I'll probably put this at the top and put like a smaller one down here. And then I'll put this back in here. And that way I can see, and I can even put some on the back. So I can utilize this as a 2-in-1. Put my magnets here as well. And then put some magnets on the back so that I can see, and they're not all in that same, the same padded folder here. But I will do that later. But I wanted to share with you guys, I had these awesome magnetic sheets. You can also put them on your file cabinet if you have them, and put your dies on a wall of magnets. So I got 4 4x6s. And like I said, double duty, magnet and the folders. And nope, I got 5 4x6s, and then I got 5 5x7s. Let me just make sure. Yeah, 5 5x7 sheets, so I can put more in here as they come along. But with the new packaging, I probably won't need as many as these anymore, because they're all in their individual spaces. So it's just a matter of filing now. So yeah, I am happy that she has these in store, where you guys can purchase those. So that's everything that I got from Yixuan Scrapbooking. So all the things will be linked down below for you guys to be able to see what you want. Go ahead and check it out. Great prices, fast shipping. Seriously. So I'm going to put these away, and I'm going to show you what I made. So I made some cards. So cute. I love these. I did a little stuff to them. Y'all, I did a little extra. Okay, so my card is 4x6, and it opens up like that. Got a little sheet of paper, backing sheet there. So what I did was take some of my stash, my Christmas paper stash. You know, I had a bunch of these sheets, forgot who they're from, but just some candy cane-ish paper, and I have it stitched around. And then I took another sheet from one of the Maggie Holmes collections in this green rectangle, stitched around there to the card. I had some top note dies that I added. I did some red stitching around both of the dies. Hello. And then I popped the top one up on a dimensional sticker, and then I took a circle stitch die and stamped "There's No One Else Like You" on the stamp and popped that up on the corner. I finished up with these cute little, you guys, did I show the tutorials in my YouTube membership? If you're wanting to join that, that'll be down below linked as well. But I did a tutorial and provided a file so that the members could make these cute little holly. And then finally, I added some little tiny dots to the corners there, which I love those. So look at this image. This is from the one, that cute little guy that was upside down. Is so adorable. I painted him with some Tim Holtz crayon, what are those, color pencils, the kind of the new set that just came out. So I colored that at water added. I just wanted to be faint, and I wanted to do the watercolor. So this is exactly how I wanted it to turn out. If I could change anything, I would add more red and less water. But again, I just colored him just enough for it to just move around, and I absolutely love it. So that's the first card. And then the second card, look at it, so cute. It was my favorite. I love this color combo. Flips up the same way. Did the combination of the same things that I did to the first card. The stitching, the top notes layered on top of each other, the strip of candy cane paper that was on the other one. This I used a blue snowflake, a blue and white polka dot, but to appear as snowflakes. And then I also made these poinsettias in my YouTube membership group, and it was paper from Cardstock Warehouse that I made that with, and some red distress ink. And then I stamped "Let It Snow, Let It Snow, Let It Snow," and then distressed the circle with that as well. And I just used a regular plain circle for that. So this is so cute, and I absolutely love it. It was using this particular stamp set with this little guy. He is so cute. He's just chilling. Those are some really cute cards, if I do say so myself. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Can you take a second and hit that like button? Let me know what you think. I know that I say that often, and it's not just a filler. I want you to know, I want to know what you think of the cards, what you think of the haul. If you are willing to buy anything, let me know what you would purchase. You know, give me some ideas. What would you do? And just let's communicate in the chat, in the comment section. So yeah, if you could take a moment and hit the like button, it's free. And if you like what you saw, check out the other videos, and you're not a subscriber, please consider subscribing to my channel. I would very much appreciate it. All right, guys, I will talk to you later. Bye.